Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to remove Kia Optima steering wheel easy guide. Disconnect the battery and wait 10 minutes to prevent airbag deployment, then remove trim pieces and pry off the horn pad to access the center bolt. Use a 16mm socket to loosen the bolt, mark the steering shaft alignment, pull the wheel straight out with a puller if needed, and reconnect components in reverse order while checking alignment. Gather the right tools and set a safe workspace before you begin. That makes the job faster and less stressful. You will need a 16mm socket, Torx bits, a steering wheel puller, trim tools, and a torque wrench. Wear safety glasses and gloves, work on a level surface, and keep the key out of the ignition to avoid accidental airbag deployment while you work. Take photos of connection locations for reassembly. If unsure, consult a manual or a professional. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel and help me make more useful guides. Quick recommendation: socks life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty and treat your feet right during long garage days. Check the description for the link and other deals. I appreciate your support. It helps a lot. Now let's get back to the video. In this part, I'll guide you through careful airbag removal and steering wheel detachment with clear steps and calm pacing. After disconnecting the battery and waiting, remove the airbag mounting screws or clips from behind the wheel, then gently lift the airbag and disconnect the electrical connectors. Store the airbag face up in a safe place. Loosen the center bolt, mark alignment, and use a puller to remove the wheel straight off the splines.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.